All right, I'm at the end of Loxley, and we're looking back out towards the culvert. As I turn to my right, we're going to see the end of the pond where the beavers are, and actually have made, a nice dam here. So the water on this side of the dam is about, looks like at least 2 feet higher, maybe a little bit more than the water on the other side of the dam. And as I walk this way to take a look at the water in this area, what we're going to see is that they have built and are building another dam down here. And we can see that the dam runs all along there. So this water is about 2 feet, at least 2 feet lower than the water in the lower pond. And if we move around back here to take a look at the back of the dam, you can see that we have a step situation here where the water that will form on the other side of this dam is at least a foot lower than the water right here. And if we move around towards the back, we can see a whole lot of area that at one time was also part of this pond, which is now going through a rebuilding cycle. So the pond is going to continue to build out towards this direction and down around in back of Loxley here, where there's lots and lots of room to go out towards Route 27 and room to go out in this direction. And the reason that water builds up behind these dams, even though they're dammed, is that the action of the beavers actually raises the water table and the watershed in an area. That's part of why they're being reintroduced in a lot of places that are having water problems and droughts, is that beavers actually increase the water table. So the water table in the upper pond grew to make the lower pond higher, and then they dammed there, and the water level again is seeping through and building back in through here, and it's going to continue through here and on back way in the other direction. Kind of neat the way these guys work.